Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to change your theme in your Microsoft Math Solver app. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Microsoft Math Solver app. Here we go. Now at the top right corner you can see that settings icon, tap on that. Now here you can see different options. You have to tap on that option appearance. Now here you can see the option automatic light dark. Now here I will be tapping on dark and tapping on done at the top right corner. In this way, you can easily change your theme in your Microsoft Math Solver app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.